Welcome everybody to the world premiere of the new EQS. In fact, we got several premieres for you today. You're about to witness the arrival of our first ever all-electric luxury sedan. Purpose designed on our brand new dedicated electric architecture and offering a revolutionary way of digital interaction with the MBUX Hyperscreen. The EQS is designed to exceed the expectations of even our most demanding customers, because that's what it takes for a Mercedes to earn the letter S in its name. And we don't award this letter lightly. We believe the EQS combines sophistication, sustainability, high-tech and style like no other car out there. A zero-compromise EV. But of course, we want to know what you think, because this is for you, world.
There's this love I found, can be spinning round. This should never end. Let the dream descend.
Here it is, the new EQS. This car is a true turning point. It marks the start of a new era at Mercedes-Benz. Many teams across our company have worked extremely hard to make this a reality. And for us, the EQS is so special because it's the first Mercedes designed from the ground up as an electric vehicle. And it's not just any vehicle. It's an all-electric luxury sedan on an S-Class level. What does that mean for you as customers? First of all, you get great range, up to 770 kilometers WLTP. And it comes with more interior space than any other electric luxury sedan out there. It simply is a true Mercedes-Benz. Just look at the MBUX Hyperscreen. See how seamlessly the screen blends in with the beautiful living space inside this car. Using it is a whole new way of interaction between humans and technology. On top, the EQS helps us to excel in reducing our carbon footprint. It goes well beyond zero emissions driving. The EQS battery and the entire car are also manufactured in Germany in a carbon neutral way. I'm now honored to hand it over to someone who joins us in envisioning a more livable future for everyone on the planet. Straight from New Zealand, Mr. James Cameron.
If I could fly, where would I go? If I could fly, oh, I don't know.
Through my films, I hope to inspire audiences to strive for a sustainable world where humans, machines, and nature can learn to coexist. This message is more relevant than ever, and I'm glad Avatar has found a partner who believes in the same vision, Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes joined us on this journey with the creation of the Vision AVTR, which we revealed together last year. This concept car was inspired by the values of Avatar's indigenous people, the Na'vi, who believe that we must not only limit what we take from nature, but find ways to replenish what we use. And today, I'm excited to share that Mercedes is taking the next step towards realizing this vision. The EQS is an expression of what's already possible today in terms of electric mobility, and it innovates not only for the sake of innovation, but with a purpose. The all-new EQS is not just an impressive vehicle, it's a commitment to a more balanced world. Here's Britta from Paris to tell you more.
Mercedes-Benz is striving to bring us all closer to a better, more sustainable future. And the EQS is a milestone of our plan to achieve a carbon-neutral new car fleet. And we will fulfill our commitment to the Paris Climate Agreement even earlier than the EU requires. Our aim is to keep the impact on our planet to a minimum. We do this, for example, by using an increased share of recycled and regrown raw materials. We know how important sustainability is to our customers. And with the new EQS, achieving this in everyday life is much easier. For example, you'll be able to charge at no cost at all Ionity fast charging stations for 1 year after activation. And with Mercedes Me Charge, we offer one of the largest charging networks worldwide. Plus, we'll help you to minimize your carbon footprint with our new green charging feature. With it, we ensure that as much clean power is fed back into the grid as your electric Mercedes takes to charge. We'll also make driving in the city more efficient and convenient. With the MBUX parking service, we reduce the time you need to search for a parking spot. And of course, you can also pay via MBUX. This beautiful city of Paris not only stands for sustainability, but for style and luxury as well. These characteristics perfectly match with our brand. In the EQS, we bring them together in a completely new look. And talking about looks, let's hear from Gorden, of course, coming from the California sunshine.
For us, as designers at Mercedes-Benz, it's all about desire. And desire is about two things: beauty and the extraordinary. I'm a true believer in beauty. Whatever we do, it will be beautiful. But we also want to come up with extraordinary solutions. We call it the X factor, that surprises and enchants. Luxury brands always have a distinctive style. Beauty, boosted by the X factor, defines our unique style of sensual purity. Along the significant style of our aesthetic soul, we create desire. With the EQS, we have designed a new shape for Mercedes to define an entire new generation of luxury cars. The first of a new kind of one-bow proportion. Flow defines the entire surfacing, the wave in the belt line and the powerful shoulder pushing the car forward. The seamless design of the EQS front end resembles a high-speed bullet train. The progressive EQ face shows the black star panel with integrated headlamps and a light beam signature running through, which illuminates the front like a display. Electricity is also staged in the helix light band of the rear lamps. In fact, with its new proportions, MBUX hyperscreen and a zero-layer software, this car is clearly different from anything else we have ever developed. It's a dream of every artist to create the future. With the all-new EQS, we have designed an extraordinary and beautiful car of the future. We created desire. Now, let's take a closer look at the inner values of the EQS. Here's Markus, not far away in Nevada.
Here in the Nevada desert, our engineers put the EQS through its paces in harsh environments. and they made it truly earn its star. Our entire team worked with great passion to the benefit of all you innovators out there. The result? The EQS is the first model based on our all-new dedicated electric platform. It's scalable in all dimensions, like wheelbase and track. This also goes for key system components, such as the battery and electric motors. We will use this platform for our all-electric models at the top of our portfolio. This shows we mean business with our Mercedes EQ offensive. With up to 385 kilowatt of system power from 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive, the EQS will be a blast to drive. For all performance lovers, we are also planning to offer a version with up to 560 kilowatt of system power. 2 things in particular define the technical DNA of Mercedes EQ: the increased cell energy density of the battery and the in-house designed software of its energy management system. The largest battery of the EQS has a usable energy content of 108 kilowatt hours. This package of hardware and software can get you up to 770 kilometers of electric range WLTP. This range is also made possible by the car's benchmark aerodynamics. The EQS is the world's most aerodynamic series-built vehicle with a drag coefficient of only 0.20. And with 200 kilowatt fast charging, you can regain up to 300 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. This all translates to a perfect balance of performance, efficiency, range, and ease of charging. And its technology goes beyond electric driving. The EQS sees virtually everything around it and becomes your co-pilot, and therefore get more comfort both on long-distance trips and in big, busy cities. To explain, here's Sajjad from one of the most digital cities in the world, Shanghai.
When it comes to technology, with the new EQS, we pulled out all the stops. So, let's talk tech. Our EQS will be able to drive by itself at level 3. This is made possible by intelligent fusion of sensors such as LiDAR, multiple cameras, and radar, as well as the state-of-the-art software. Starting with the German Autobahn, our Drive Pilot will soon allow you to enjoy your ride in new ways. With just the push of a button, you can take your hands off the steering wheel in heavy traffic. This is also why we gave the EQS the largest glass display ever in a Mercedes. One day, this could be your home cinema on the road. Our MBUX Hyperscreen is also one of the smartest screens we have ever put into a car. Its brain and nervous system has 8 CPUs, 24 GB RAM, and a 46.4 gigabit per second memory bandwidth. The EQS will surprise you with intelligence in many flavors. One of these is navigation with electric intelligence. This means the most efficient route is always calculated to maximize range. The system takes into account charging stops, weather conditions, and topography. While driving, artificial intelligence anticipates your next move. You no longer have to scroll through the menus in the EQS. This is thanks to what we call the zero layer. And no matter where you sit, you can take advantage of MBUX, enjoy a massage in the front, watch a movie on the co-driver's screen, or browse through all other MBUX functions in the back seat. To complete the electric driving experience, we have designed a specific soundtrack for the EQS. Some say the car sounds like science fiction. But the EQS can also be totally silent, or it becomes your personal concert hall.
With the EQS, we set out to create the most sophisticated EV on the market. And for us, That's not the best solo performance, it's the perfect symphony. This symphony includes interior space that's second to none in an electric sedan, best-in-class aerodynamics and sustainability, and industry-leading quality, safety, and comfort. It's high-tech in a true luxury shell, because all of this is what our customers expect from an electric S-Class. And this is for you, world. I hope you enjoy this show. Thank you, and bye-bye.